Hey everyone, welcome to this quick video where I'm going to share a fun trick with you to help you get free followers on Instagram. I know many of us are always looking for ways to grow our following on the platform, so this trick will definitely come in handy. So let's get right to it. First things first, open up your Instagram app and log into your account. Next, go to the Explore page and click on the search bar. You need to search for the most followed accounts on Instagram, such as Cristiano Ronaldo, Selena Gomez, and the official Instagram account. Once you have found these accounts, click on the follow button. After that, click on unfollow and click on follow again. Repeat this process a few times. Make sure to follow as many famous celebrity and popular accounts as you can. This will give you better results. You can even search for other accounts related to your interests or a niche. After following a few accounts, go back to your profile and refresh it. If you have a public account, you'll start seeing followers coming in. In case you have a private account, go to the request section to see new requests. Keep refreshing your profile to see more requests coming in. And there you have it, a fun and simple trick to help you get free followers on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on social media growth.